Now students, continuation of previous video. We are doing exercise 1.1 from board book. Now first one is over, second one. Which of the following equations can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers. Now I am writing one by one. X square, x minus 1 plus 1 by x equals to 6. So you have to do one more step. Take LCM, then x square minus x plus 1 equals to 6, or cross multiply. This 6x take the left hand side, so it is becoming this. So this is the general form of quadratic equation. So this one can be written. Clear? What is the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is also in this form. Clear? Now next one. X plus 3 by x equals to x square. Again take the LCM. Then cross multiply. Then take all the terms in left hand side. I am writing it first, minus x cube. Now you see here the highest power of x is 3, not 2. So this one can't be expressed in the form of general form of quadratic equation. And number 3, it is already given. So you have not to do anything. It is already given in the form of general equation. Number 3, x square minus 6 root over x plus 2 equal to 0. It is already given in general form. It is a quadratic equation. Then number 4, you see x minus 2 whole square equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. Now it is a minus b whole square form. A square minus 2ab, 2 means 2a, a means x, b means 2. So it will come 2ab, 4x. One more step you can do, plus b square. And right hand side also coming this, same. Now it is, you see left hand side and right hand side, both are same. This is called identity. Identity. Clear? So this is not an equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Now number 3, you have to calculate the power of the variable for which the given equation will be a quadratic equation. Number 3, x to the power 6 minus x cube minus 2 equals to 0. This one we can write in this form 6. So we can write it in this form, minus x cube minus 2 equal to 0. Now see, x cube whole square. I am writing. You have not to do it in exam. I am writing. Suppose I am considering this equal to a. Clear? X cube equals to a. So this is becoming a square minus a minus 2 equal to 0. Clear? So with what is your a? Your a is x cube. So what is the power of the variable here with respect to which the equation is a quadratic equation? Power of x is 3. Clear? So your answer will be with respect to the power, with respect to x cube, the equation is quadratic equation. Clear? Now number 4 1. You have to calculate the value of A. This comes in Madhyamik. Okay, in board exam it comes in the form of MCQ. Value of A for which this will not be a quadratic equation. It will not be a quadratic equation. What I have told? When this will be 0, coefficient of x square will be 0, then this term will be vanished. So that time it will not be a quadratic equation. Clear? So for A minus 2 equal to 0, that means A equals to 2. A equals to 2, it will not be a quadratic equation. Clear? So A minus 2 equal to 0, that means A equals to 2. Then expressed in the form, okay, x by 4 minus x equals to 1 by 3x. This one not given in general form. First we have to express. Then what to do? We have to find out the coefficients of x square, coefficient of x. Okay. Now first cross multiply. 3x square equals to 4 minus x, or 3x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Now this is the general form of quadratic equation. Okay, first part is over. Then calculate the coefficient of x. What is coefficient? Coefficient means in class 9 you have learned that what number exists in the left hand side of the variable. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. Coefficient of x? 1. Clear? Coefficient of x, nothing is there, means 1. This is over. Now what will be the coefficient? It is not given, I am telling. What will be the coefficient of x square, x to the power 0? This one I can write in this form. 4 into 1, in place of 1 I can write x to the power 0. Then what will be the coefficient of x to the power 0? Minus 4. Negative sign also you have to consider. Clear? You see, you have to consider negative sign also. Clear? Next one you can do yourself. Number 4, very easy. You will open the bracket. I am writing, you will do yourself. Everything I will not do. You have to practice it in home. So you see, this is given. What to do I am telling. It is given in this form. Left hand side you will open the bracket by using a plus b whole cube formula. What is that? A cube plus thrice a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You will open that by that formula. Right hand side you will multiply. Then everything you will take in left hand side. Then you will get the general form of the equation. Now clear? Now next one you will get in next video.